I'm Eileen and I have a Bachelor in Science in Chemical Engineering. I have worked in manufacturing my entire career. I'm head of manufacturing for Moko, so that's what I do. Being the head of manufacturing at Moko is exciting, challenging. I don't have the luxury of being in my comfort zone. Every day is different. Every day I'm thrown into different things. The culture of the Moko manufacturing team is very community-based, right? There's no I do this and I'm just trying to do best for myself. The team always is looking out for each other and they work as a team to get better.
I'm Caroline and I'm the Senior Quality Officer at Moko. Basically, my work is to make sure that we get the quality products that are needed by the customer and have fun at doing that as well. So one of the things that I have and I think is very key in this industry is being able to have the passion for the work you're doing, because then that makes every day like a delight to be at work, you know. Secondly, I think it's a hunger for knowledge. I have never been in this particular role before. Some people would shy because it looks like it's a male-dominated field. We don't hire people because they're male or female. We hire people because you qualify for that position and you've been able to show that you can actually get the job done. So at the end of the day, it's not an issue of are you male, are you female, but it's an issue of do you have what it takes to have the job done.
I've had conversations with some team members where they're worried about being able to be a mother or have a family and still be a woman in manufacturing and what that work-life balance looks like. I am a mother and I have found a way to be able to work in manufacturing, and still there are times I've had to come for meetings at night, there are times I've had to come for meetings early in the morning, and I found a way to balance that and still do what I love while still being a mother. There's a misconception of what happens in manufacturing and what you need to be able to do to be in manufacturing, where people think like I need to have a six-pack. I clearly do not have a six-pack, or I need to be able to lift very heavy things, and I would say just apply, come interview for the job. If you get the job, if you're willing to learn, you're coachable, you have a self-drive, you can be innovative, you can do it.